This pluggable power strip has 12 outlets and it's actually a surge protector. 4,320 joules of surge protection, and you got 2 USB ports right there. This one has a 6 feet cable, and when you plug it in, it lights up right there. Let's go ahead and use this to power our computer. So we're going to keep this over here on the side. This surge protector is very smart. It knows when it's protected and when it's grounded. Right now, we are in our tiny homes with the EcoFlow power kit, and it's not properly grounded. If you put this in, you'll see right here, it's protected because this is still protecting the circuits, but it's not grounded. This part is not lit up. You see how that tells you exactly what's going on? Now let me show you the difference when we go to a grounded plug. For example, right here, we are connected to our home, and when we plug it into our home, you see we have the grounded light right here and the protected light. This is when we have proper grounding and proper protection. So it knows what type of situation we have. So very cool surge protector. This is the only surge protector I know that tells you when circuits are protected and when circuits are grounded and they are independent. Pretty awesome, right? So anyway, we're gonna use this one in our setup right here, and in our tiny home, we will not be grounded, but we will still be protected. So we're gonna use this power surge protector for sure because it's gonna protect us. And that's why in our tiny home, you'll see that it's not grounded, but it is protected.